Cassida is a global leader in cash automation solutions that provide customers with high-quality product that constantly innovates and streamlines money handling process for small, medium, and large businesses.
We here at Cassida USA provide all of our direct customers with a 1-year product warranty and an option for 2 additional years. Utilizing our dedicated call center and support teams, we can troubleshoot any issue that you may experience with our quality products.
Our product manufacturing spans several continents, including North America, Asia, and the Pacific Rim. We are proud to have quality teams on site at each of our global manufacturing facilities and partners. And our San Diego quality team performs hands-on quality inspections for all products, solutions, and components prior to shipping to our container load, palletized, and drop-ship small parcel customers.
Hi there, we are Cassida Middle East, the youngest member of the Cassida family. Our office is based in Dubai and we cover Middle East, Africa and South Asia markets.
Hello, 大家好，我们是 Cassida 中国 Cassida China。我们这边最重要的目标是保证我们生产产品的质量。谢谢大家。
Всем привет! С вами Cassida Евразия. Наш офис расположен в Москве, и мы поставляем банковское оборудование по всей территории Российской Федерации. У нас бывает холодно, и по улице гуляют медведи с балалайками. Но мы гордимся быть частью этой огромной страны, и мы гордимся быть частью Cassida Corporation.